Here I am in the Pacific Ocean. Not in it at the moment, but I will be in a minute. Appears to be what the locals would call a coastal eddy rolling in, because it's clear back where my hotel was, just a couple miles away. This is an unbelievable spot because planes take off from the south side of the runway right over that mound. Maybe we'll see one here in a minute. Meanwhile, the northern runway is up here. Planes are taking off that way. Pretty damn cool. Gonna go down and get in the ocean here. And the Pacific Ocean is cold, just for the record. The last day of my 55th year and I'd made it to the Pacific Ocean.